Hello, so let's make a beautiful resin photo frame with some lights inside. Okay, as you can see, let's get down with our first layer of resin here. I'm going to use new classic resin, and I've nicely mixed my pigments with the colors here, be it either powder pigments or liquid color bases. Just mix it thoroughly to it. Get it down in your smaller version of cups, and then nicely lay down your first layer of resin coating there. As you can see, what I've done here is I'm going to use multiple colors, and hence I'm just going different layers of resin here, and then I'm mixing it in very roughly with the wooden stick I have. Always get rid of the bubbles in between your layers, either with heating gun or the cooking torch. That's always going to be useful to give you a nice and clean look. First, once your first layer has been dried up, let's say after 1 or 2 days, then is the time to get all the things that you need for your entire frame to go on it. You can either use a Mod Podge or anything to just kind of stick it down. As you can see, we have certain photos here, quotes, your real flowers, your light, everything. This is the time to get it in right now. The reason I'm just going with Mod Podge on the sides here is that the resin wouldn't leak inside. When we have the Mod Podge on the sides, it kind of blocks off the sides, and then it doesn't really allow the resin to go inside. So that's kind of a nice hack there. I wanted the marriage date of their anniversary to be embossed a little bit, and hence I've used my Cricut Joy there to kind of emboss the date, and then I'm going to get it on there. If you do not have any of these, feel free to just print out any of the quotes, pictures, things like that, color print it out, and then just laminate it. By doing lamination, you'll make sure that the colors or even the resin doesn't like really penetrate inside your photos. And then again, the Mod Podge trick is always going to be useful, so then the resin doesn't go in. Other than that, once you kind of lay it out, then goes the last layer of your resin. You again use your heat gun or cooking torch to get rid of all the bubbles. Let it dry for another couple days, and then is the time to unmold it. While unmolding it, be very soft and gentle. You're looking at a little bit faster version of the video, and hence you'll be seeing I'm doing it a little bit quicker, but be very soft and gentle while doing it. You don't want to break it. If it's a thinner version, let it dry completely. And as you can see, we have got some beautiful lights inside. I've used a gold of touch, some shells, smaller version of stones, which kind of gives it a nice beachy view. The light which comes with it, so the battery, you can attach it behind the photo, so it's not really visible. Other than that, you should be pretty fine. We've got some nice quotes. The lights kind of are inside. The products are a little bit embossed as well, so you don't need to entirely cover it with resin. Thank you so much.